A lot of students do have a concern regarding RCs. And one of the solutions that I always mention, a lot of people mention, is reading. Now, question is, how does reading help in comprehending RC? So, why is reading so important? Why not only solve the RC passages and go about it? Why is reading so important? So let's understand the language itself. How does the language formed, and how is that you learn a language, and how do you communicate in language? Language normally you communicate very unconsciously. I mean, you don't consciously form sentences like, oh, this is a verb, this is the adjective, this is the adverb. You combine and you form a sentence. No, it's a subconscious mind that forms the language. It tells you the word that has to be used, and then you speak. So when you speak now, when I'm speaking right now, am I consciously forming a sentence? No, it's very subconscious way of putting it up. Now, how is this subconscious way developed? The subconscious way is developed purely because you have read a lot, you have spoken a lot, you have heard a lot of English. That is come to your subconscious mind, and you know how the language is formed. And then when you speak, automatically you're able to speak the language well, purely it's there in subconscious mind. You're not consciously doing it. Same goes with reading. When you read a lot, you automatically develop sentences in your subconscious mind. So you know the formation of sentences, you know the formation of structure, you know how the ideas are formed. And that when you read and try to read more, you automatically understand the structure of the sentences, the structure of the ideas, the structure of sentence, and that helps you to solve better. As a matter of fact, reading also helps in your grammar exercises. I mean, if you're reading a lot, you'll automatically, with gut feel, know that, oh, this is the answer, not that, because somewhere I've read that this is the way it is formed, structure is formed. More reading helps you in grammar as well as in your RCs, definitely. Because the subconscious mind details out how the sentences are formed, and that automatically helps you to understand the passage better, understand the central idea, what the author is trying to say better, and go. But for that, you need to develop a good reading habit. And good reading habit is not only developed by reading a lot, but also enjoying what you read. That's very important. Because if you don't enjoy what you read, then you will may understand the structure of the sentence, but you will not be able to understand the overall idea of the passage. And that becomes very important in terms of understanding the RCs. Right? Thank you.